slice up your tomatoes and lay them in the bottom to start. And you also could take this recipe, it's baked in a 13 by 9 baking pan, but if you only want to make half the recipe, 8 by 8 pan works really good too. So you just layer up your tomato slices. And then the second layer will be a ham mixture. Chopped up cooked ham. If you have any leftover Easter ham, it works very well. Mayonnaise and some fresh parsley. It calls for fresh, but I didn't have any, so I got out my bottle of dried parsley. Now, do you know the ratio of dried to fresh? Well, it's 3 to 1. 3 for the fresh, 1 for the bottled or the dried, because it's a lot stronger. So with 2 tablespoons of fresh, you need 2 teaspoons of dried. So you mix your chopped ham, mayonnaise, and parsley, and then you spoon it over the tomato. And then the third layer is fresh white breadcrumbs. So you mix your white breadcrumbs with cheese and a little melted butter and sprinkle that over the top, and that's your third portion of it. To make the recipe the right way, you then make another layer of tomatoes, etc., etc., tomatoes, and then your ham, more of the ham mixture, and then your breadcrumbs on top, and you end up doing this 3 times so that the bread and cheese layer is on the top. And then bake for 45 to 50 minutes. If you're using the 8-inch square pan, try for maybe 30 to 35 minutes. It would take less time. And then let it sit for a few minutes when it comes out of the oven, and then just cut it into squares and try tasting it. Anyway, I'll tip it up so you can see it a little bit. Sizzled. Yeah.
Hi, my name's Karen Enriquez. I work for the SEAGO Area Agency on Aging, and we are here to give an overview of the Area Agency on Aging. We have several programs that are available. We offer services to adults that are 60 and older, disabled, and caregivers. We have our long-term care ombudsman program. We have a health and nutrition program, which highlights fall prevention with Matter of Balance and Tai Chi, and we have our family caregiver program, which offers case management services, respite. We now do a program called Tralta for caregiver training, and we also have a support group that meets every Tuesday at 2 called Pinkies Up. And so we are here for information and referral. And our number at the agency is 432-2528. That's area code 520-432-2528. And if you have any questions, information and referral is one of our strongest points. We can assist you, and if we can't find the answer immediately, we will research it and find it for you.